Hello, welcome you all to the session number 16. This session is for BCom first semester. In this first semester basic English. In this session we shall continue our discussion on bores. So in the last session we have discussed that everybody can be a bore in his life for some person one day or the other, and ego is the base of the bores. Their ego supports them to be bores. Then in this session we shall discuss that bores are generally self-centered. So this is the theme for today's session. The learning objective is to learn to identify people. Session outcome is to understand that bores are generally self-centered. So bores are self-centered. So self-centered means bores do always think, always speak, and always discuss about themselves. That is what we call self-centeredness. They think that the world exists because of them. Bores think that they are at the center of the world or at the center of the life, or they give undue importance to themselves. That is what we call self-centeredness. This is a common human trait, but we find that generally bores are more self-centered as compared to others. So let us continue our discussion. Bores are never short of topics to speak on. Means bores produce numerous topics to speak on. There is no dearth or there is no shortage of topics for bores to speak on, for bores to discuss on. They can continuously speak on various topics all through the day and keep or make the people bore. And an important feature is his topics are always centered around him. Means whatever bores speak, they speak about themselves. Whatever topic they choose to speak, that topic is related to them one way or the other, and this happens simply because they have happened to him. Means whatever incidents have happened to a bore, they keep on discussing about those incidents or those events because they think that as this incident has happened to them, it is very important from everybody's point of view, and that is why they keep on discussing those topics. And his topics are always related to him only. Means whatever topic bores choose to speak, bores choose to discuss are related to him only, because he thinks that, or a bore thinks that he is at the center of the world or the world exists because of him, and whatever happens to him is more important than any other thing in the world, and that is why they keep on discussing on the topics that are related to him. So this is an important feature of bore. Then a bore usually speaks about himself. Then he may speak about his house, he may speak about his garden, he speaks about his wife, his children, his car. So look here. So whatever topic bore chooses to speak about, all these topics are related to him only, and there is no dearth of topics, because as bores are self-centered, they do not see beyond them, or they cannot think of beyond them. They are always concerned with whatever happens to them, or they are always centered about the things which are related to them. That is why they either discuss about himself or about themselves, or a bore discusses about his house, he speaks about his garden, because he thinks that his house, his garden, his wife, his children or his car is more important than anybody else's. So a bore may also speak about his handicap, he may also speak about his health, his ancestry, his expert advice to people, his immunity from influenza, his travels. So here the author wants to convey that a bore do not see beyond himself. So he is introspect means he always thinks about himself and always thinks about himself, and his topics are centered around him. He also speaks about his travels, his clothes, his dentist, his love and reverence for natural beauty, his victory over income tax people. So the author wants to tell us that bores are self-centered. There is no dearth of topics for a bore to speak about, but the only thing is a bore never chooses a topic to speak beyond himself. Means whatever topic he chooses to speak about is related to him only. That is why bores are called, or bores are generally self-centered. Then bore also speaks about the way in which he is able to choose the best restaurant, and these men are very happy and think that the world exists because of them. So this is a one particular feature, or this is a salient feature of bores. So let us have a recap. So bores are never short of topics to speak on. His topics are self-centered. A bore usually speaks about himself in his house, about his garden, about his wife, his children, his car, his handicap, his health, his ancestry. So whatever bore speaks about is related to him only in one way or the other. Let us have some questions. A bore always speaks about others, himself, his family, and one of the above. So a bore generally speaks about himself. Question number 2. Bores are usually self-centered, egoistic, dishonest, all of the above. The answer is self-centered. A bore usually speaks about his wife, his children, his car, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Who is never short of topics to speak on? A bore, a writer, a poet, all of the above. The answer is a bore. A bore speaks about his victory over police, income tax people, both the above, neither of the above. The answer is income tax people. Thank you.